Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is I am the light. Virgo, you're the standard, you're the lighthouse, you're the safe haven, you're the torch that everyone is following outside of the wilderness. Everyone is in a dark place, believe it or not, at this moment, and they're looking for a light worker, someone that's carrying the torch that will take them out of the reality of darkness, of being depressed, anxiety, resentment, guilt. They need the example, and you lead by example, where everyone's wondering, why can you just understand, compute, let things roll off your shoulders and remain positive and productive? Continue to be that strong force, that strong being. And you not only are saving me, but you're saving the entire world. I always have hope no matter the ordeal, and I have faith in a better future. I turn darkness into light. I open my heart to others and God, and I am spiritually strong. You want to find your purpose, fall in love with your service. And when you are in love with your service and you are helping people, you do feel fulfilled. And you feel that you have a purpose in life, and you feel amazing in your life. I draw light to me and I shine with all my being. So shine, baby, shine. Hone in and zone in on all your gifts, because we all need you. I need you. We're watching and we're following you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.